going on, guys? So I'm starting a Euro Klassik YouTube video this entire trip, but I'm also cutting this part in as the intro to my Audi build because it's been a long 4-month journey, and as you can see, it's here. It's finally here and ready, and I just want you guys to enjoy this progress and just really enjoy it, and I hope you learned something from it. So come say hi at Euro Klassik this weekend. Cheers. Have a good one. Guys, we're here, we're almost done setting up, but I want to show you something. The final piece to the puzzle. That's what we've been waiting for a very long time. So look at that. This goes on the front grille. Look at that. That's crazy. And then this goes on the rear. So yeah, now I'm going to put them on as the final piece. Let me just back. That looks crazy good. I wonder if I should put the Audi logo next. Probably should. Because of you guys, I get to live one of my dreams, to have both of my cars here at Euro Klassik. My completed 1990 Audi Coupe Quattro with the Ragnar kit, with my 1991 Marlboro Benz. Actually, now I could say it's my Marlboro Audi, so that's pretty cool. You be the judge of it for yourself. Come on, check it out. I hope you enjoy my video of the progress that I've had on this car. I know it's been a while, so thank you for tuning in and have a good one. Welcome to my MTV cribs. We got the Audi, we got Tony's crib, and we got the chill room. So in here is a full hotel. Oh buddy. And you come over here, 2 cars. And then we got the Audi on this side ready to go.